My name is Wyatt from Mr. Paradise in New York City, and today we're going to be making a carrot cake punch. So I created a clarified milk punch cocktail that essentially utilizes all the flavors of carrot cake, which is far and away my favorite dessert. So what I did was created a Westland whiskey that was infused with brown butter. And then separately I am putting together a carrot juice and cream cheese blend, which I also cooked together. And then the last element of it is sort of a baking spice syrup that I create with coconut water. It's cooked down with Ceylon tea, star anise, cinnamon, vanilla bean, and finally adding sugar and lemon zest to it. All of that is combined in one very large vessel, and then we add milk and lemon juice to it. And the lemon juice curdles all the milk, essentially making ricotta cheese. But then we pour the entire thing over a cloth-lined strainer and pulls out all the impurities from the entire cocktail. And then what you end up having is this very clear but very kind of flavorful, complex cocktail. So it's very simple. You're just gonna put an ice cube in your glass and pour the cocktail directly over it. And to garnish the cocktail, you're just gonna take just your standard carrot. You're gonna peel a few layers from the outside until you have about this width here. And then you're just gonna peel one long ribbon from the back all the way to the tip of the carrot. So you have something like this. And then you're just gonna add it in and wrap it around your ice cube. It will stick to the outside of the glass just to kind of keep that structure of it. I'm Wyatt from Mr. Paradise in New York City, and this is the carrot cake punch made with Westland whiskey.